Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. I've been up Aldi's again today. Now let me show you what I bought today. Something yummy. Right, I've got some gammon. So I'm going to do honey roast gammon with homemade chips. So I've got some tomatoes, got some pineapple slices, peas. So I got the honey, we've got the potatoes, and we've got the gammon joint. But the only problem with the gammon, they usually have the ones with a twine on them. This one hasn't got twine on it. It's got a plastic cover on. So I've looked on the Aldi website and it says you cook it in the plastic cover, not this plastic cover, obviously there's one inside. But we'll see what happens. And we'll try it. So first things first, we'll get the gammon open, we'll give it a pat dry. And then we'll get it to boil first for half an hour. So let's do it. Alright, first things first, we'll get the gammon open. Alright, there's the gammon, there's the plastic film, look. Apparently you cook it in that. We'll get it a pat dry, itch and roll. I'm not going to salt it because there is quite a bit of salt in the gammon, even though I think this one's unsalted, isn't it, I think. Let me check. Oh no, unsmoked. Right, that's pat dry. What you want to do, you want to boil it for a bit, because you want to take the top skin off. That's why I can't really cook it in that, because I want to skim all that off there. Or off there, wherever it is. It's quite a bit of it actually. So we'll get it in the pot. And we'll get it boiling. Right, I'm going to stick it in a pot of water. I'm not going to salt it. We're going to turn it on, bring it to the boil, and then we're going to simmer it for about half an hour. Well, that's been boiling for a bit now. I'm going to turn that off. Oh, the steam. I'm going to get it out, so I'm going to leave it to rest for 10 minutes. As I say, we'll get that out. Let it cool down for 10 minutes. Right, while that's doing, I'm going to peel myself a potato, turn it into chips. Right, I've just done that into chips. Let's get it in a bowl of water. Put it under your tap, let it drain, let it get rid of all the starch. Right, I've done them. Water's all clean now. Get them on to boil. Right, well then, chips are boiling away. Get yourself some honey. You want some brown sugar? Give it a mix. You can also put mustard on it as well, if you want to. Well, that's going to go in the microwave just to loosen up a bit. I need 30 seconds or so, maybe not even that. Right, that's just all loosened up, look. Just so it can be basted on the top of it, that's all. Nice and soft. What I want to do now, I want to cut down, not all the way, just a drop like that. Cut it as thin or as thick as you want it. It's entirely up to you. Just watch your fingers when you do it. Many times I've cut myself with this bloody knife. Now what you want to do is start basting. Let's get it all in the nooks and crannies. I'm just hoping it stays together because there's no twine on it. Because that's going to collapse. I've made something here. See if I can just hold this round. So I've got no twine. Just to hold it together. Maybe it might work, might not. Okay, that could work. Right, then get yourself a dish. An oven proof dish, pull it in, get the extra juices on top. We've got loads more honey which we're going to baste again in a bit. And put that in the oven for half an hour. I'll put it up against the side just in case it doesn't hold, put it like that. So I'll stick it in the oven and then I'll bring you back. Right, the potatoes are done. I've just drained them and left them for 5 minutes just to steam up. And get yourself some kitchen roll for your chips now. You want to get them dry as you can. Right, just leave them to soak for 5 minutes. Right, the chips have cooled down a bit now. So we'll get them out. Smells lovely in here. Get your chips in your thing, in a bowl. Then you just want a drop of oil. You only want a little drop. Just a little drop. Not too much. You want salt and pepper. Lovely. And give it a mix. As long as all the chips are coated in the oil, that's all you need. Right, I've just put a second coat of honey on. That thing seems to have held it together. It's been in about half an hour, so I've just put a second coat on now, so it's going to back in the oven for about another 20 minutes, and while that's in the oven I'll get the chips on. Right, we'll get the chips in now, into the air fryer. Spread them out nice and even, as even as you can. Try not to overfill the basket, so otherwise they go all soggy. If you have to do them in batches, do them in batches. There you go. I'm going to stick them on now, 180 degrees. I'm going to stick them on for 25 minutes and I'll give them a turn halfway. There you go. Well, that's had about 12 minutes already. It's looking nice. Make it a shake, get them all loose. Any stuck at the bottom, just give them a shake. Just loosen them up, looking nice and crispy. Get them back in. Now I made myself, got myself an onion, pineapple ring, a couple of tomatoes cut into flowers. We're going to griddle them. So we'll do that now. Right, get your hob on. And you want it on low. Little drop of non-stick. And get your tomatoes on. And get them fried up. And your pineapple chunk. Right, let's have a look at the pineapple. Not quite yet. Just keep turning. Want to get it a bit caramelised. Right, the gammon should be done now. Let's get that out. Hot, careful. Lovely. Oh yes, gorgeous. Caramelisation on that. Let's get this out. It's going to be hot. That worked a treat, that did. That's looking nice now, look at that. Mmm. Just taste a little bit of that. Oh, look how soft that is. Gorgeous. Juice is falling out of it, look. Well, there we go. Homemade chips. Gorgeous. Honey roast gammon. Pineapple. Tomatoes. Absolutely stunning. So, till the next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.